I will have in Gujarati.
મારા પાસે હશે.
Master future, have, fast. Synapse Lingo welcome. Hey you, thanks for tuning in. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. For more lessons and freebies, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you'll nail the Gujarati future of to have. By the end, you'll confidently say things like, I will have time, equals.
મારા પાસે હશે.
Let's go. Your goal today. You'll learn the simple pattern. With X, there will be. Future possession. Friendly, fast, and funny. Core idea. Gujarati uses with, at.
પાસે.
Plus, will be.
હશે.
So, I will have, as literally, with me, it will be.
મારા પાસે હશે.
Forms that matter. Speedrun the 8 must know forms. Repeat out loud after me. I will have.
મારા પાસે હશે.
You will have, singular, friendly.
તારા પાસે હશે.
He will have.
તે પાસે હશે.
She will have.
તે પાસે હશે.
It will have.
તે પાસે હશે.
We will have.
અમારા પાસે હશે.
You will have, formal, plural.
તમારી પાસે હશે.
They will have.
તેઓ પાસે હશે.
Tiny dialogue at the ticket counter. Listen once, then echo the bold bits, yes, out loud. Your plant won't judge you. A. By evening, will you have the tickets? B. Yes, I will have them.
મારા પાસે હશે.
A. Great. And will your friend have cash? B. He will have it.
તે પાસે હશે.
A. If not, we will have a card. B. Right, we will have one.
અમારા પાસે હશે.
A. Perfect. Then they will have no excuse. B. Exactly.
તેઓ પાસે હશે.
Tickets and smiles. Say it with me. Call and echo drills. You speak, I cheer. Ready? 1. Tomorrow, I will have time. Say.
મારા પાસે હશે.
2. After class, you, friendly, will have notes. Say.
તારા પાસે હશે.
3. By noon, she will have the keys. Say.
તે પાસે હશે.
4. By tomorrow, it will have all parts. Say.
તે પાસે હશે.
5. Don't worry, we will have snacks. Say.
અમારા પાસે હશે.
6. By next week, you, formal, plural, will have documents. Say.
તમારી પાસે હશે.
7. For the party, they will have music. Say.
તેઓ પાસે હશે.
Pop quiz, you've got this. Answer, then I'll reveal the phrase after a short pause. Q1. Say, you will have, to a friend, singular. A.
તારા પાસે હશે.
Q2. Say, you will have, to a customer, formal. A.
તમારી પાસે હશે.
Q3. They will have, seats. A.
તેઓ પાસે હશે.
Q4. I will have, a minute. A.
મારા પાસે હશે.
Culture tip plus a smile. Sound natural and polite with tiny tweaks. Gujarati future possession is literally, with X, there will be.
પાસે વત્તા હશે.
Use friendly you, sing, with friends.
તારા પાસે હશે.
Use respectful, formal.
તમારી પાસે હશે.
Fun line at a party. Relax, we will have dessert.
અમારા પાસે હશે.
Instant best friend status. 10-second challenge. Deep breath. Say all 8 in one go. You've got this. I will have.
મારા પાસે હશે.
You, sing, will have.
તારા પાસે હશે.
He will have.
તે પાસે હશે.
She will have.
તે પાસે હશે.
It will have.
તે પાસે હશે.
We will have.
અમારા પાસે હશે.
You, formal, plural, will have.
તમારી પાસે હશે.
They will have.
તેઓ પાસે હશે.
Wrap up. You crushed it, future possession in Gujarati, done. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing these lines daily, and you'll sound smoother than fresh chai. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more lessons and goodies at www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.